Hey there, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny. I have had so many people ask me, please show me how you make your rice. How do I cook rice? Can you do a video on how to cook rice? And today, we're going to do that. It is super simple, but let me tell you something, this is funny. It probably took me the first 5 years of cooking before I was able to make a pot of rice the correct way the first time. I cannot tell you how many pots of rice I threw out and had to do again because I didn't do it right. So watch this. We've got 2 cups of water. We're going to pour it in this pan right here. We're going to turn our heat up to high and get it to boiling. In the meantime, we're going to stick some butter in there. I like to use a lot of butter. And we're going to put our salt in. Now we're going to let that come to a boil before we do anything else. Now, what you have to remember when you're cooking rice is it's a 2-to-1 ratio. You don't have to use a measuring cup. For years, I have used this Starbucks cup. I fill it up twice to the top with water, pour it in my pot, and then I fill it up once with rice and pour it in the pot. But just remember, you need twice as much water as you do rice. You must have a pot with a tight-fitting lid. Some people rinse their rice. I usually don't. What it does is it makes it less sticky. Okay, my water is boiling. Now what I'm going to do is take this cup of rice, pour it in that pot. Do not stir it. Don't touch it. Let it come back to a boil. That is the secret to making good rice. Don't touch it. Once you put it in that water, do not stir that mess around. I know how bad you want to stir it, but please don't. It's boiling again. We're going to put the lid on. We're going to turn this stove down to low. On my stove, that's number 2. Number 1 is too low. Number 2 is perfect. Now I'm going to set my timer for 20 minutes. And in 20 minutes, we'll have rice. All right, my timer's gone off. And I want you to see this. Nice, beautiful, fluffy white rice. See that? It's not super sticky. It's the perfect consistency. Let me taste it. Perfect. Now, you do not have to use just water to make this rice. You can use chicken broth, beef broth. I've even used coconut milk to make this for coconut rice with shrimp or something. It's delicious. So I hope that I've helped somebody crack the code to cooking rice. If I did, please leave a comment below and let me know if you're a little bit rice challenged. Again, don't forget, it took me years to figure out how to do this and do it the right way. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?